Welcome to our quick guide. Today, we'll show you how to deposit a check using Cash App. Let's dive in. First, open your Cash App. Ensure you're logged into your account. It's simple and user-friendly. Now, tap on the Deposits tab at the bottom of your screen. This leads you to the Check Deposit feature. Select Deposit a Check and read through the instructions carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Next, take a clear photo of the front and back of your check. Ensure good lighting for best results. Finally, confirm the deposit. You'll receive a notification once your check is processed. Easy, right? For best results, always use a well-lit area when taking photos of your check to avoid rejection. Remember to sign the back of your check. This is crucial for successful deposits. If issues arise, don't hesitate to contact Cash App support. They're ready to assist you. And that's it. Now you can deposit checks effortlessly with Cash App. Enjoy hassle-free banking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy banking! See you in the next tutorial.